Hello, welcome to my house. I'm Todd Talbot. I'd love to show you around. It's been a 16-month journey to lift the house and completely rebuild it. Now you might meet a couple Talbots along the way. Don't feed the animals, except Penny, of course, because she's so cute and soft. Come on in. Let's start things off in the kitchen, which is, the heart of the home. I really specialize in making popcorn only, so I'm not sure why we designed this gorgeous kitchen. Just kidding. One of the key features of this kitchen is the archway, which is specially designed to house Rebecca's tea center. We have integrated appliances with our walnut cabinetry. And then I think one of the other features is the ceiling. We've got exposed wood ceilings, tongue and groove with these cool light fixtures. And last but definitely not least is the island. It's meant to look like a piece of furniture. It's got a curved front with a brass kick to it. Popcorn's ready. I gotta find Rebecca and Penny for a little surprise. This is the primary bedroom. We got our king-size bed back, and that is a peel and stick wallpaper. Come on, Penny. Kessler and I designed this loft bed and actually used the same flooring to wrap underneath the bed. And then below, he's got space for his video games. I love this laundry room. We've got an all-in-one washer dryer, lots of storage, a sink. The cornerstone of this renovation was to create a rec room downstairs. And this is it. We've got our favorite movies above the couch, and some karaoke. Who could ask for anything more? We really designed this house for our family, and we think it turned out great.